Hello guys, how are you? Hope everyone well. Today I am going to show how to install an app which app we cannot install because of some problem, like we can see app not installed. Sometimes that apps for device administrator, sometime for other reason. So now we will see how to install that apps easily.
So guys, to get new videos, subscribe our channel and press notification bell icon and stay with our channel.
Okay guys, so let's start now. How we can install an Android apps. If that apps time I install, if that showing apps not installed, like what type of problem we can see, so how we can remove that problem, like from files, apps, installation package. Okay guys, now I want to install this software, share it software. Okay, now I click this software. Okay, install. But we are seeing what, friends, app not installed. That means this app now cannot install. So what should we do? That system today I will show. Okay guys, let's see how to solve this problem. So guys, first we will check our settings, security and privacy, more. Okay, install unknown apps. Okay, Google all are allowed, also cannot. So last final chance. Now guys, by this software APK editor, we have to edit that app's internal option. Okay, select an APK file, then we will search where is that app. Okay, and this is that app, Anisha. Okay, now we go common edit. From here have auto OS, operating system make decision, but we should to change this. We will set it default. I think now we can install that apps. Okay guys, let's try. Save. Now it's working. See guys how long it take. I think this will take a short time only. Now install. We already got the solve of this problem, and now we can use this share it software. Okay guys, thanks. If you get any type of help from this video, please like and subscribe our channel.